Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Chaudhary and you are welcome to the course Moodle Course Design, a learning management system. Today we will learn how to configure the gradebook setup in a Moodle course. In today's topic, we are going to learn following points. So we will start our first topic, adding graded item. Common graded items that everyone is using in Moodle is an assignment and a quiz. These two are the most used graded item in a Moodle course. Other than this, you can also use graded forum. So we have a reflection spot. What are the graded items Moodles are available? Pause this video and note down your answer. I hope you have completed this reflection spot question. Now the next we will see manual grading. Beyond this, however, it is possible to add manual grade item for things like participation, attendance or assignment papers, etc. or presentation marks, presentation skill marks. All those grades also can be added in Moodle by manual grading. Now we have another reflection spot. Answer this question, pause this video and just think about in which situation manual gradings are required. I hope you have noted down your answer. In later section of this video, we will see how to add those manual gradings. Next, we will see accessing the gradebook configuration page in a Moodle course. Log into your course where you have to configure the gradebook setup. In the top right corner, click on this gear icon. In this menu option, click on Gradebook Setup. Now here I have already configured the gradebook setup for this course where I have divided the main course in two categories. First one is a quiz, then second one is the assignment. In quiz, the subcategories are knowledge quiz, reflection quiz, assimilation quiz. There are some other options you can see yourself like viewing the grade books, scalings, letters, importing grades, exporting grades, course grade settings. Next we will see understanding the default aggregation. Moodle use default aggregation method called natural weight. By default, graded items are weighted according to the point values assigned to them. As you add or remove grade items or change their point values, the relative weight listed in the weighted column for each item will automatically adjust it. As a rule, a value in the weight column must always sum to 100. The natural grading I show you here for the quiz section, Moodle uses a natural grading policy to assign this. Here is the natural grading. Here you can see what kind of grades are available, means of grades, medians of grade, lowest grade, highest grades, natural grades. Natural grades is the sum of all grade values scaled by weight. Next we will see grade categories. Categories are an excellent way to group related grade items. You might have categories for assignments, for quiz and for exam. If you want to use categories, it is easiest to create them prior to adding any graded items. So now let's see in Moodle how we can create or add a new category. In Moodle, go to your gradebook setup, scroll down and click on this add category. I am going to add a new category here in the main Moodle course design is exam, and the parent category for this category is the Moodle course design. So I have added a new category called exam. Now in this exam I am going to add one more subcategory which I call midterm exam. And the parent category I am going to select for midterm exam is exam, and the mark for that midterm exam is manual marks that you need to fill in Moodle. So that is comes under manual grading. We can see how to add those manual grading. Now Before that, now if you want to add a manual graded item in a Moodle, you have to click on this add grade item. This add grade item is what that you are going to give the grades. You are going to provide the grades. This grade not come from the Moodle activity. This grades come from you. So I am going to here give the name first mid-term exam. The maximum marks for that mid-term exam is 20, and it will comes under mid-term exam. This grade will comes under mid-term exam. So saving it. Now I need to fill the marks for this first mid-term exam. So we can fill it from here. Go to this view. So right now I don't have any student in this course. If you see for this midterm exam, over this first midterm exam marks, I will click on this pencil icon. This pencil icon will enable me to fill the marks of the students.